Ready?
Hello.
Ready? Hi, me, my sister, and my brother are going to do a video.
Yay, the video is Beyblades. It's the best video ever. And we are starting with these 3 battle places. This is going to be the first arena. We're going to have all 6 Beyblades launched into this. The last 3 standing go in this. And then the last 2 standing go in this. And there's going to be 10. There's going to be 10 rounds of this. Whoever wins the 10 rounds will be the winner of my Beyblade set. And this is the place where we put the people who are...
This will be, we're just going to do part 1 tonight, so go ahead and let's get it in the first arena.
You were speaking to right. First arena. Let's start launching, sister.
Ready, set, go. Wait.
Alright, so we found our last 3. Because that one didn't spin yet.
I take the ones that stopped. I take the ones that lose.
So the winners are...
Give me the ones that lose.
Ah!